Hey guys, so this is the look I'll be doing for you today. It is this really cute kind of like warm halo eye, really dramatic. I hope you guys like it. It's inspired by Kaylee MUA, which I will link down below, her Instagram and stuff. And yeah, this is the look I'll be doing for you. I hope you guys enjoy it. It's really fun and dramatic. If you notice that all throughout this video, a little bit of like it going from warm to cool, that was just my camera like not being able to handle all the oranges, so sorry about that. But let's just get started. So I'm using the Morphe 3502 palette and starting with this light orange in the crease. I'm going to be building that up all the way across my crease, and then as well I am making sure to put it sort of in the front of my brow. I'm then going to take this brighter orange shade and then put that basically right on top and blend that exactly where I put the lighter orange, and this is just going to build up the intensity of that orange shade. So after that I'm going to take this kind of red matte color, and that's going to go a little bit deeper in my crease. I'm using a bit of a smaller brush and getting that packed deeper in the crease area and then blending that into the oranges so they fade really nicely into one another. And then after that I did want to make it a little bit warmer, although there's already so much orange, how could you really do that? But I wanted sort of like a halo around the edges, so I just took this yellow from MAC called Goldenrod and blended that around the edges of the orange just to warm it up a little bit more. Then I'm going to take Heroine Lipstick from MAC and using this as a base on my lid for the purple shade I'm going to put on. So I just put a little bit of that on, blended it in with my finger. Just an FYI, this will stain your eyelid, but who cares? So then I'm taking this color from Inglot, and it's just a really nice deep purple, and just pressing that on top and then gonna kind of softly blend the edges out. I like having the purple base down first because it just makes this stick even better, and it gives sort of that like purple, kind of brighter purple underneath, and it sort of like radiates from underneath that darker purple, like you can see it really nicely. So now I'm taking this mid-tone bright purple from Colourpop, and then I'm going to blend out the edge of the purple into the red color using the brush I used to apply the red shade. And then this is just making sure everything fades really nicely from one color to the next. So after that I'm taking this Stila Glitter and Glow Shadow in the color Sunset Cove. These are like bomb. I've bought so many of these recently. These are like my new favorite products. And I'm just using my finger to apply that on the center of my lid, and then I end up going in with a little bit of Reflex Teal pigment from MAC Pro, and right here I'm pressing that right on top just to add a little bit of extra like a duochrome effect. I'm taking the same exact shades I used on the top and putting them on the bottom of my eye. So starting with Heroine, blending that in with my finger, and then taking the yellow first, followed by the orange, the red, and then the purples, and just kind of building up the lower lash line the same way I did the top, and putting Sunset Cove, that Stila shadow, right in the center like I did on the top as well.
Why do I feel like I linger between the words to say the words to remember. Now we're here to take control over your body and over.
So on my inner corner I'm going to take Soft Frost highlighter from MAC and just pop that in there for an added bit of extra like a purpley glow. And then for lashes I'm using the Dodo lashes in the style D309, followed by doing my brows with the Anastasia Brow Wiz in Soft Brown. If you want to see how I did my face makeup and all that stuff, I have a video of that on my Instagram, so go check that out because I am going to skip that in this video. I'm just going to go straight on to finishing the face and the lips. So for my cheeks, I'm going in with Soft Frost. on this Morphe brush just to kind of highlight, and then I'm blending it a little bit with a blush brush. I wish I would have put a little bit of blush on, but you know, it is what it is. This gave a little bit of like a purpley feel to my face, so it was fine. But like after the fact, I wish I would have put a little bit of some sort of blush on as well. For my lip, I'm taking this Kat Von D liquid lipstick all over, and then because I have a tan right now, I felt it was just a little light on me, so I went in with Whirl Lip Liner from MAC. I wish I would have put the lip liner on first though, because trying to blend it on top of the dry liquid lipstick, it did not blend as well as I would have liked to, so I would recommend doing the lip liner first and then the liquid lipstick afterwards to get it to blend better. But that is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. This was just kind of like a quickie, just quick and easy kind of tutorial for you guys. I didn't want to make it too long, but I will continue to try to post up videos more often now. I am about to go on maternity leave because I am about to have my little girl here in a couple weeks. So hopefully while I'm on maternity leave, I will be doing a lot more videos because I am sure I will be bored out of my mind while she is sleeping. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye.